Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery charging test of the new Oppo Reno 5. And guys, and this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And also, and the battery size on this phone, it is a 4310 mAh of battery capacity. And also we have a 50-watt SuperVOOC battery charging on this phone. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% and to 100% right now. And the battery percentage on my Oppo Reno 5, it is 0%, and you can see. And guys, in this phone it is automatically off when the battery it is hit at 1%. Now let's see the battery percentage right now on this phone. And we have this Oppo logo on this phone. And on the front we have a 6.4 inch Full HD AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate display as well. And you can see, and this phone it is does not on because the battery it is really low on this phone. And you can see guys, and we have this logo on the front. And guys, now let's quickly show you the charger and the cable that you are getting with the Oppo Reno 5. Here is the box of the Oppo Reno 5, and I already done the unboxing of the Oppo Reno 5 on my channel. If you are interested, watch that. And guys, now let's open this box like this. And also the unboxing experience, it is also really good on this phone. And you can see we have this black box this time. Open this box and we get this adapter and a USB Type-C cable, and also we get the headphones with the Oppo Reno 5. That's a really unique thing as well. And we get a SuperVOOC adapter, and you can see. And also we get a USB Type-C cable with the Oppo Reno 5. Now let's out the cable from this plastic. And you can see guys, we get a USB Type-C cable with the Oppo Reno 5, and also we have this a green indicator inside the USB Type-C port. On the another hand we have a USB-A port, and also we get the SuperVOOC adapter, and you can see. Now let's check out the ampere rating and voltage on this adapter. And guys, and the ampere rating on this adapter, it is a 10 volt with a 6.5 ampere. And guys, and this is a 65 watt adapter, but this phone is support maximum 50 watt. And now let's put all these things inside the box. And now let's quickly start the test. And guys, here is the phone Oppo Reno 5, and you can see. And guys, now let's insert the USB-A into the adapter like this. And guys, here is the switch port. Now let's insert the power brick into the switch port like this. Now let's insert the USB Type-C cable into the Oppo Reno 5. Again, battery it is really low on this phone. And one thing it is also really important about the battery charging is that the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature right now. And the temperature in this room, it is about 19 degrees Celsius. So if you're charging this phone in high temperature, the battery charging speed will be slow. Now let's insert the cable. And also now let's calculate the time on my Infinix Note 8. And let me increase the brightness and Oppo logo. And where is clock? Right there. Now let's quickly start. And you can see, and guys, this phone it is automatically on. And guys, you can see that this phone it is on. And guys, you can see that here is the Oppo Reno 5, and you can see. And the battery percentage on the Oppo Reno 5 it is at 1%, and you can see. And this phone also give you in-display fingerprint scanner because on the front we have this AMOLED display. And guys, everything it is off on this phone. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth location it is off on this phone, and also we don't have any SIM card on this phone as well. And let me decrease the brightness a little bit. It says that flash charge. Now I will be back after half hour, exactly 30 minutes. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged in the first half hour. And guys, also one thing it is also very interesting on the Reno 5, and you can see the real time battery charging. Okay guys, I'm back after 28 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Oppo Reno 5 because I want to see that how much battery is charged after 28 minutes. And guys, and the battery percentage on this phone it is at 84%, and you can see. And guys, and this is really amazing, and you can see. And the battery charging speed is really fast as compared to the Oppo Reno 4, which has a 30 watt SuperVOOC battery charging. And On the previous Oppo Reno 3 is give you a 20-watt SuperVOOC battery charging, but this time we get a 50-watt SuperVOOC battery charging, and you can see, and the battery percentage it is at 85%. And guys, now I will be back after 35 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see that how much this phone is charged. 6 minutes of battery charging. Okay guys, I'm back after 35 minutes of battery charging. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Oppo Reno 5. And guys, and the battery percentage on the Reno 5 it is at 93%, and you can see, and guys, this phone is charged 93%, 35 minutes of battery charging. And guys, now I will be back after when my Oppo Reno 5 it is completely charged up to 100%. Now let's see that how much time is required after 35 minutes of battery charging. Okay guys, I'm back, and you can see, and guys, in my Oppo Reno 5 it is completely charged up to 100%, and you can see in 48 minutes of battery charging. And guys, what I have to say regarding the battery charging speed of the Oppo Reno 5, and guys, I really impressed by the battery charging speed of the Reno 5, and this phone give you a 50-watt SuperVOOC battery charging, which is huge upgrade over the Oppo Reno 4, which give you a 30-watt SuperVOOC battery charging. And the battery size it is also little bit increased as compared to the Oppo Reno 4. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Oppo Reno 5. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo Reno 5. And also let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the 50-watt SuperVOOC battery charging of the Oppo Reno 5. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, by the way, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.